High school is a time for you to learn. From English to math, you learn the basics. And some classes teach you advanced technologies. High school can be a good learning experience, and BotsIQ can help to make it a great one. If you like hands-on work, like science experiments or tech ed projects, if you enjoy being creative, tinkering and repairing things, or making something new, BotsIQ's Close the Loop program is for you. Through Close the Loop, you'll learn more about exciting advanced manufacturing and robotics careers. You'll have opportunities to tour, shadow, or intern at local companies. And you'll learn if manufacturing is the career for you.